Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel of Easy Courses, an online training platform connecting subject experts and the industry experts with the students and job seekers. Here in this video, we are going to see about DHCP, a dynamic host configuration protocol. Every devices on the internet or every computers which are interconnected to establish the connectivity require an IP address which is internet protocol address. How these addresses are assigned to the device? It can be either assigned manually or in a dynamic way which is automatic. Manually, IP address to the computers are assigned by the system administrator. Consider a situation where there are hundreds and hundreds of computers which are available and that need an IP address. So, assigning an IP address manually, it's a time consuming task and there is a chance of human error. So, to overcome this, a protocol is designed, which is nothing but the dynamic host configuration protocol. So, it is a network management protocol. It automatically assigns IP address and other network configuration parameters to the devices in the network. So the DHCP has got four phases. So we are going to discuss about the DHCP operations now. First, it is server discovery. Second, IP lease offer. Third, IP lease request. Fourth, IP lease acknowledgement. Let us see an example. Here you can see the client missions connected to the server mission. So the client mission, if it doesn't have the IP address, it start looking for the DHCP server, which is it start discovering for the DHCP server. So it broadcasts the discover message to all the devices connected in the network. The devices which are not the DHCP server decline the request, wherein the DHCP server acknowledge the receipt of the discovery message. So once the server machine receives the discover message from the client, it offers an IP address to the respective client machine. So the IP address will be blocked and that will be assigned to the client machine. So the third phase is the request phase. Once the client machine receives the IP address, it have to send the request message to the server to block that particular IP. So the client send a request message to the server machine asking the server machine to block the IP for that respective client. So the last phase is the acknowledgement phase. So the server machine on the receipt of the client request acknowledge the client machine to take the IP address on lease. So these are the operations of DHCP where the client first discover for the DHCP server. Next, the server machine offers an IP address. Third, the client requests the server machine to block that particular IP. Fourth, the server acknowledge the client machine to take that particular IP address on a lease. So this is the entire process of DHCP. So the port number used by the DHCP server and client are, so the DHCP messages from a client to a server are sent to the DHCP server port 67 and the DHCP messages from a server to a client are sent to the DHCP client port 68. Thank you for watching the video. Please visit our site www.easycourses.in and also write to us at hello@easycourses.in. Easy Courses, one-stop solution for your training need.